Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. And the question is, will I get this guess right? And no, I didn't peek. See, still sealed. It feels like paper, but it's too thin for a paper pad. Alright, let's undo day 11 of Uniquely Creative's Advent box. It is one of their inspiration books, and it's specifically designed around the Advent kit. So this is full of ideas, and the design team have all put some of these in, and it gives you what they've, I was going to say ingredients, we're not cooking here, are we? It's the products used and other products that weren't in the kit. So we've got a nice scrapbook page there, and that would actually look really pretty converted to a card as well. Very easily done. Oh, you know what? We might get sneak peeks of what else is in the Advent kit by looking at these pictures. So they are both scrapbook pages again, I think. Oh no, they're cards. That's a square card. So that's the small little ephemera bits all onto one square card. That's fantastic. Hi Cleo, you're walking across my box. And we've seen the doily in one of the previous pages. There's another doily there, and it's got a little bird on there, so that's a card there as well, a scrapbook page. 2 scrapbook pages. It's nice seeing all the different papers layered together. I love seeing other people's ideas. That one is a card. Nice, it's quite a layered card too, that one, very pretty. And that's, oh, that's lovely. That'd be nice in a journal. Very, very nice. And we have another scrapbooking page. Another scrapbooking page. And Cleo is now climbing the window next to me, if you're wondering what that noise is. She'll start crying in a minute that she's stuck. Oh, I love the little scallop edge there. And that one's a card again, and a scrapbook page. Oh, that's that film strip die just in there, out of the black. Very nice. Alrighty, so that was day 11. Let's see what day 12 is going to hold for us. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.